Did you overpay your railroad retirement taxes? Learn these steps to get that money back. Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara, Highball Advisors, and today we're going to talk about it's probably a lot for those individuals that might have two jobs or salaries. Maybe one's working for the railroad and then also doing something else on the side, and they're both paying in, maybe one's paying into railroad retirement, the other's paying into Social Security. So you might be paying too much of that payroll tax. This isn't an income tax, it's about the payroll tax. So what I'm talking about is the Social Security and railroad retirement Tier 1 portion, right? Tier 2 is not relevant here. So it's all about that portion. So let's just go through it. So Tier 1 and Social Security are basically the same thing, right? 6.2% of your paycheck goes into those systems. So if you're working for the railroad, it's Tier 1, non-railroad, it's Social Security, okay? And the 2023 limit is $160,000 and $200. So if you have two positions and they add up over that, maybe one is 120 and the other's 80, so that's 200,000. But they're not speaking to each other because they're different companies. You could be paying over too much money, right? You could be paying too much of Tier 1 and Social Security. So we want to figure out how to get that credit back. This number also moves every year based on inflation, so you got to always know what that number is every year. That's important. So you are due a tax credit if paid income is over this annual amount, right? You get it back as a tax credit off your taxes. So if it's a single employer, right, let's just say maybe you got a bad, I shouldn't say bad, but inefficient back office or something, and the employer doesn't adjust it, you can just file a Form 843 and get that money back. Now, that usually doesn't happen that much on that Tier 1 portion, but if you have two different employers, now you've got to go to your tax return and do that. So if two employers, the excess will appear as a tax credit on line 11 on your 1040 Schedule 3, right? So that's where you're going to get that money back. Okay, you've paid way too much into it. But on the Tier 2 portion, you can also overpay on, once again, on the two-employer situation. So in that case, if let's say you've worked for one railroad and then you move to another railroad and it's over the annual limit, then you want to file Form 843, claim for refund and request abatement, and attach your relevant W-2s. And when you send this, and I think I did a video on this a while ago, but send this certified mail, make all these copies. IRS is going to take forever and a day to get this credit back to you. So I just want to make you aware of that on that portion of it. But it's really the Tier 1 and Social Security for those people who have two jobs simultaneously. So I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you're at or near retirement, want to go through my boarding for a retirement process. Great stuff there, no doubt about. Click on the notification bell to get the latest videos. And I do appreciate everyone subscribing to it. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.